Chaitra, studying 6th standard, reading today's news related to UPSC exams. Before going into the news, I request you all to subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video.
Economy. Retail inflation. Retail inflation reached slightly to 6.69 percentage in August, even as food prices continue to rule high. Food inflation in August fell marginally to 9.05 percentage according to the Consumer Price Index data. The retail inflation, mainly taken into account by the RBI to arrive at its policy decisions, has been above the regulator's comfort level. The government has mandated the central bank to restrict the inflation at 4% plus minus 2%. Supplementary demands for grants. Finance Minister tabled the first batch of supplementary demands for grants for this financial year in the Lok Sabha. The centre has sought Parliament approval for a gross additional expenditure of rupees 2.35 lakh crore, including rupees 20,000 crore for recapitalization of public sector banks. The biggest chunk goes towards the state governments, including rupees 44,340 crore in post-devolution revenue deficit grants and rupees 2,262 crore as grants in aid for the state disaster response funds. In accordance with the interim recommendations of the 15th Finance Commission, Government has also asked for the Parliament authorization of rupees 20,000 crore for meeting expenditure towards recapitalization of public sector banks through the issue of government securities. Governance. 3 agriculture reform bills introduced in Parliament. The Farmers Produce Trade and Commerce Bill and the Farmers Empowerment and Protection Agreement on Price Assurance and Farm Services Bill. Agriculture Minister said the new laws would benefit farmers from empowering them to decide the price of their produce, which was earlier determined by traders. It would also encourage private investments and technology introduction in the sector. Ministry of State for Consumer Affairs introduced the amendment to the Essential Commodities Act. Agriculture comes under the state list in 7th schedule of micro irrigation target. Union Minister for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare announced that the ministry has a target to cover 100 lakh hectares under micro irrigation in 5 years. Department of Agriculture, Corporation, Farmers Welfare is implementing the per drop more crop component of Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchayi Yojana since 2015-16 to increase the efficiency of water usage in the agri sector and increase the farmers' income. The ministry with National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development created a dedicated micro irrigation fund, rupees 5,000 crores to support the states to mobilize their resources to expand the micro irrigation coverage. My family, my responsibility. In a bid to tackle the coronavirus pandemic, among further relaxation of lockdown curbs, Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray announced the launch of My Family, My Responsibility campaign. The campaign aims to motivate the maximum number of people to adopt a new lifestyle for effective COVID-19 control and also aims to reach people before the virus reaches them. The campaign will be initially launched in the BMC Brihan Mumbai Municipal Corporation jurisdiction area. Under the campaign, volunteers appointed by the BMC's Public Health Deputy will reach out to every family in the BMC area and will check the citizens for COVID-19 symptoms and will provide medical help and guidance if needed. Science and technology. Scientists first find gas on Venus. The atmosphere of Venus contains traces of phosphine gases, which on Earth is associated with living organisms. Conditions on Venus are worse with daytime temperatures hot enough to melt lead and atmosphere comprised almost entirely of carbon dioxide. A team of experts used telescopes in Hawaii and Chile's Atacama Desert to observe Venus' upper cloud deck, around 60 km from the surface. They detected traces of the phosphine, a flammable gas that on Earth occurs from the breakdown of organic matter. IRAD app. Ministry of Road, Transport and AMP Highways conducted the 2 days orientation and training program on Integrated Road Accident Database Project app for the selected districts of Karnataka and for some districts of Uttar Pradesh. The basic IRAD app for capturing the spot accident in data has been developed by IIT Madras and National Informatics Central Services Inc. of New Delhi. Environment. Meghaladu project. The Karnataka government is likely to take a delegation headed by Chief Minister to bring pressure on the centre to approve the construction of the Meghaladu balancing reservoir that has been proposed to store water for drinking purposes. The project received approval from the Union Water Resources Ministry for the detailed project report and is awaiting approval from the Ministry of Environment and Forest. Even as Tamil Nadu has approached the Supreme Court against the project, the proposed reservoir site in the midst of the Kaveri Wildlife Sanctuary. 5,051 hectares of forest would be submerged and they include 3,181 hectares in the sanctuary and 1,870 hectares in the reserve forest. The approval from MOEF is crucial since 63% of the forest area that will be submerged is in the sanctuary. Art and Culture. Committee to study Ancient Indian Culture. Ministry of State of Culture and Tourism has informed that government has formed a 16-member expert committee to conduct a study on the origin and evolution of Indian culture dating back to about 12,000 years ago and its interface with other cultures of the world. The committee will include Chairman, Indian Archaeological Society, New Delhi, and former Joint Director General, Archaeological Archaeological Survey of India, among others.
Thank you for watching my video. Today's PPT is given in the description box. Hope you all enjoyed our channel. Once again I repeat, please subscribe our channel. Also like, share and comment my video. See you tomorrow.